Hi everyone, let us discuss about the topic probability. And today's content are introduction and what is probability and probability in mathematics and probability in real life and its summary. Introduction. On tossing a coin, the outcome will be either a head or a tail. The result is easily predictable. But what if you toss two coins at the same time? The result can be a combination of head and tail. In the latter case, the correct answer cannot be obtained, so only one can predict the possibility of a result. This prediction is known as probability. Probability is widely used in all sectors in daily life like sports, weather reports, blood samples, predicting the sex of the baby in the womb, genetical disabilities, statistics, and many. What is probability? The likelihood of the occurrence of any event can be called as probability, and its applications are flipping a coin, choosing a card from a deck, throwing a dice, pulling a green candy from a bag of red candies, and winning a lottery, one in many millions. The formula to find out the probability is the ratio of event and the outcomes, that is event by outcomes. Probability in mathematics. Al-Khalil, a Middle Eastern mathematician, wrote the book of cryptographic messages, which demonstrates the first use of permutation and combination to list all the Arabic words with or without vowels. This was the earliest form of probability and statistics. Probability of a branch of mathematics relating the numerical illustration of how likely an event can exist. The likelihood of any event to occur is a number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates the impossibility of the event and 1 indicates the certainty. Examples of real life probability. First one is weather planning. A probability of forecast is an assessment of how likely an event can occur in terms of percentage and record the risk associated with weather. Meteorologists around the world use different instruments and tools to predict weather changes. They collect the weather forecast database from around the world to estimate the temperature changes and probable weather conditions of a particular hour, day, week, and month. Example is, if there are 40% chance of raining, then the weather condition is such that 40 out of 100 days it has rained. Second one is sports strategies. In sports, analysis are conducted with the help of probability to understand the strengths and weakness of a particular team or a player. Analysts use probability and odds to forecast outcomes regarding the team's performance and a member in the sports. Coaches use probability as a tool to determine what area their team is strong enough and which all areas are strong enough, and in which all areas they have to work to attain victory. Trainers even use probability to gauge the capacity of a particular player in his team and when to allow him to play and against whom. Second one is insurance. Insurance companies use the theory of probability and theoretical probability of framing a policy and completing a premium rate. The theory of probability is a statistical method used to predict the possibility of a future outcome. Example is, issuing a health insurance for an alcoholic person is likely more expensive compared to one issued to a healthy person. Statistical analysis shows high health risk for a regular alcoholic person, ensuring them is a great financial risk, given a higher probability of serious illness and hence filling a claim of premium money. Next one is in games. Blackjack, poker, gambling, all sports, board games, video games use probability to know how likely a team or a person has chances to win. Example is, when two dice are rolled simultaneously, the outcome will be as given below. Outcome of getting 1 is 1 by 36 and 2 is 1 by 36. Likewise, all are given. Application of probability in game theory. Economics and business. Economists use the game theory as a tool to analyze economic competition and phenomena such as bargaining, voting theory, auction, mechanism design. Executives, investors, and managers in the business world use the game theory strategy for investment, launching for new products, or entering a new business. Game theory models force each player to consider the action made by their competitor and plan the next strategy. Second one is in politics. Diplomats and politicians use game theory to analyze any situation conflict between individual, companies, states, and political parties. It is also used in war strategies, political voting, and political affairs. Third one is in philosophy. Philosophers use game theory in various aspects of philosophy. Fourth one is in biology. It is applied to the analysis of the abnormal natural phenomena in biology. And the whole summary is probability plays a vital role in the day-to-day life, in the weather forecast, sports, gaming, strategies, buying or selling insurance, online shopping and online games, determining blood groups and analyzing political strategies. Thank you for watching.